STIHL Tirol, a key subsidiary of the STIHL Group, is located in Langkampfen, Austria, and specializes in battery-powered products. As the group's competence center for ground-based gardening tools, STIHL Tirol operates as a STIHL subsidiary, sharing the same commitment to quality and innovation. PiovanGroup's solution starts with external silos, which provide an efficient and well-organized system for high-capacity raw material storage. These silos streamline material management, ensuring that production has a reliable, steady supply to support high manufacturing demands. The central cooling system, which combines a compressor chiller with a free cooling unit, adjusts energy use based on seasonal and outdoor temperatures, delivering cooling water for presses and mold cooling, saving energy and enhancing performance. Easy 3+ system ensures stable and uninterrupted material conveyance throughout the facility, supporting efficient flow across each production stage without delays. PiovanGroup's automated drying system plays an essential role in preserving material quality. With 2 adaptive drying units, the system continuously adjusts in real time based on production demands, ensuring consistent quality while preventing costly downtime. An additional 15 hoppers, equipped with load cells, automatically adjust drying parameters to protect materials from degradation, optimizing the drying process for the best results, while material distribution is precisely managed by PiovanGroup's EasyLink Plus automated coupling station. With 2 independent vacuum circuits and a backup pump, the EasyLink Plus system ensures error-free operation and uninterrupted production. Once in optimal condition, the material is conveyed directly to each press. The automated system guarantees precise delivery to the designated press, maintaining material integrity throughout the process. Each press is also equipped with PiovanGroup's Libera dosing units, which allow STIHL Tirol to efficiently reintroduce regrind material and add colorants as needed, reducing waste and supporting sustainable production practices. This collaboration with PiovanGroup marks an important step for STIHL Tirol in combining advanced technology with a shared commitment to sustainability and excellence. Together, STIHL Tirol and PiovanGroup are setting new standards in efficient, environmentally conscious manufacturing, perfectly aligned with STIHL's climate goals and long-term vision.